Hey everybody, this is Soss here of Soss Presents. Selecting a expansion from Maschine software. So I'm gonna select the kit. I'm gonna start off with creating a basic beat, and then that's the percussions, and then from there add something. I'm gonna just basically do it a little different than my normal workflow. Since I'm going double time, I'm gonna take my snares and drop them on the threes. That's how you do it, baby. You want to learn? Come see Soss. I like to make my kicks random so it don't be boring. Yeah, well, basically what I'm doing is putting each percussion instrument on its own track. That's what I'm doing. That's the kick. This gonna be just a snare. I mean, close. I mean, Yeah, that's snare. Okay. So I'm going to name that snare. SN. And now I'm going to remove the kick. Ugh. Uh, okay. Now, for this one, I'm going to remove everything. But see, I'm still using the same kit. That's why I duplicated it. You know, I could delete them like you've seen how I just deleted, or you can come over here and go here, right click and hit clear, and you still keep your lane. So kick, snare, and hi-hat. And so on this is the one I'm on right here, and I'm gonna put fast tempo hi-hat. That gives it a bounce, baby. Okay. And so that's close hi-hat. I always put CC. And so for this one, I think I'm gonna switch the kit. Try to find something else. Go, Shay. I'm trying to feel it. Pause. I'm gonna shorten that pattern. Yeah, something like that. Yeah. But you gotta have that pocket back there so they can feel a little something, something. You know what I mean? Mm-mm. Yeah, and see, you notice I got a kick and snare, a kick, and this is because that's something totally different. So a whole lot of this is just a totally different vibe. See? Oh, see, and you have these type things. So when you arranging and stuff, you got something to transition from or to. So you create a little something else. You don't keep everything all the same, and because this here, right here, this thing right here, you see this right here, yeah, so it's just a little vibe, and then it gives me inspiration to put my music on top. So that's what I'm doing right now. Ah, ah, yeah, and then a rapper turn it to life, bring it to life. Yeah. All I give them is a platform. I'm the stage, and they're the entertainment. I give them the platform, and I'll make the arrangement. Yeah. Well, y'all ain't no sweet sauce can rap, right? Man, I'm a child at heart, and I love every minute of it. Hey, okay. Now let's take that same instrument, and I'm gonna right click and hit copy and bring it and hit paste, 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 boom. And so I'm not going to use any of these. Instead of highlighting these and delete, you can go here, right click, and clear, and you still keep the pattern. If I edit, undo, remove, and if I went here and right click, delete, this whole blue thing gonna disappear. Watch. Bang, it's gone. You deleting the whole thing. So edit, undo, remove pattern. So I brought it back, and all I just want to clear it. I can keep that same thing right there. So I just want to clear it. So go here, right click, clear, clear. Oops. Yeah, clear. So it's clear. And also these little squares right here, you can add different um, patterns onto the different ones, and then you can select them on your. This is actually your. Well, anyway, this is like setting up your scenes. So that's scene one or pattern. I'm sorry. This is your pattern. So you can create a pattern here, or you can create a pattern here, and it'll be totally different. That's pattern one, pattern two, pattern three, and so on, so forth. That's how you can make bridges and changes when you doing soulful music and stuff. You can change stuff. You'll see. I'll create a tutorial strictly about patterns in studio. I mean, in Maschine. I'll do that. If you want it, let me know and I can break it down. And anything that I'm doing, if you want to learn in depth, let me know and I'll go in depth. If you're missing something, I'll do a video to show you how to do it. You know what I'm saying? And like I say, please like and subscribe. And I'm trying to put it out there. I'm trying to help y'all. You know, teamwork make the dream work. So now I'm going to select the instrument here. Okay. I think all those going like a I think I might hype it up. That's what I think I'm gonna do. I'm gonna hype this joint up. Like somebody just don't care. That type of attitude. Just that put that type of attitude in it. Keys. And also you can go right in here and you can click in there. Like double click where it says pattern. And you can type in what you want to name it, or notes or whatever. And you type over here. So two places you can type. Okay. Let's go. Keep it moving, cause we're gonna turn this thing up. Copy that. I'm gonna bring it down here, and then I'm gonna paste down there. So that's the same thing, really. So, however, I'm gonna mute it. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh. Now I'm gonna clear this out. Clear. For something weird. Look there. Oh. I'm feeling it a little bit. Yeah, I want it gritty. Oh. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. So, what I'm hearing, it has like a trap element in there a little bit. But however, it's more hip hop. I'm feeling a hip hop vibe with this. Yeah. That's what I'm hearing. And I'm not going to make sure that they're all on the grid or anything like that because that take away from the humanizing. And I'm not making no more. I like the humanization to it. With a real person playing like a band or something like that. When you off a little bit, you're really on. That's that mojo, So, oh, that's like a synth. If I spelled it wrong, so what? Oh, okay. All right, let's go. Unless feeling to put something else. So I think that's the same one. So I'm just putting another instrument. I gotta get rid of that though. Oh, y'all know how to do it now if you didn't before. Bang. Okay, so now you have your percussions, you have that middle, you had that little high, but I might look for another high, like a true lead, and then add some bottom, and then you want to start arranging it. So I'm just, in this first section right here, I'm just getting my vibe. You feel me? Yeah. So what's up? Let's see. And I want the most off-brand sounds weird. I ain't trying to sound like nobody. I'm not trying to sound like no one else. I might hit that bass now. I wasn't gonna do bass yet. Bottom. So. So let me select another instrument. I'm gonna just do another kit. Man, I'm telling you, these kits are cool. It's giving you something to jive vibe with. Native instruments, expansions, and stuff like that. So. Yeah. fill it out. See, I did all that vibing and feeling, but this is what I feel. And that's going to be changed. You'll see. Not like that. Edit, undo. Undo to go. First of all, it's too loud, but let's see. And if you got your headphones, you seeing how I'm mixing it up. And see, this is how you can pan. Okay, that's what it sounds. So, I want to put some effect on it. See, sound totally different. Okay, and just hear it in content, and it only come in a little piece right there. Yeah, I like that. That's cool. That's it. Okay. Oh, yeah. See what else. Give it some pancake. Pancake is like a panning left and right. Give it a panning effect. Double click it. See, it's pancake. Pancake. And that's just for that last piece, little piece right there. Let's hear it. See how it moved in your ears if you got headphones on. See, that's movement. You want your music to move. Y'all heard it. One more time. Yeah. That's what I'm hearing. Okay. And then you ask yourself, how do you know when to stop? When the getting ain't good no more. You don't want to drown it out. And everything that I'm putting in here don't mean that I'm going to use. So I'm feeling a certain thing right now. And I'm a vibe off of it. You know what? I'm gonna come out of come out of the kit. I'm gonna go into another instrument. I'm gonna come out of the expansions. You see me hit these expansions, go through some of them. I'm gonna go to something else. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, this thrill thing, that's for like when you're doing movies and stuff like that. You want to hear it? Feel me? That's that thrill. The thrill is gone. Listen. How do you incorporate it into this type of vibe? This is how. Like, let's see. Duplicate. Like, for example, well, I ain't gonna worry about it. But what I was gonna do is just show you how it could be an intro. How it could be an intro. And then down. You know, something like that. All right, y'all. So this is Soss at Soss Presents. Holler back. All right. Much love. Peace. And y'all be safe out there. Like I always say, be woke, not wokish. And watch your back. You know what I mean? It's kind of stupid out here. You know, people hating for no reason. I don't know. So anyway, I'm not going to get into that. We're going to have a good time here at Sweet Sauce Studios. Sweet Sauce Presents. That's what's up. So, love you all. Peace. I even love haters that hate. You know what I mean? I just pray for them. They'll be all right. And I love them in a different way. Love, not Love. Peace, y'all. Y'all feel me. And that's it. Holla back, y'all. Peace.